My name is Ron Litchford. I've been a practicing aerospace engineer for a little more than 25 years, about half of that time with NASA. And during that period, I've been quite fortunate. I've been able to devote myself almost exclusively to advanced R&D. Being a part of game-changing technology development program is an incredible opportunity for me because it allows me to combine my dual passions for space and technology. I've been able to cross over many discipline lines, many technical discipline lines, so I have a unique perspective from being able to look at things from different angles. And I find that background very helpful to me on a daily basis. I think game-changing development is important because there's so many future NASA missions that are depending on some advanced technology, some advanced capability that they don't have today. Game-changing wants to be the program that enables and makes those technologies available when they're needed. The work we're doing with JPL right now, the work we're doing with deep space optical communications, they're doing an incredible job developing this new technology. If you've watched some of the Mars landing, you know that things will land and then you wait for these very slow pictures to evolve, okay? And that's because the down data rate transfer back to Earth is kind of slow. And deep space optical comms and technology is meant to improve that data rate so that instead of having to wait such a long time to get that information and to be able to see what's happening in real time, we should be able to improve that by several orders of magnitude. The biggest challenge, at least for me, is that there are so many good ideas compared to the amount of resources we have to spend on them. So really the hardest job from my perspective is trying to prioritize what are we going to invest in, what should we devote our energies and resources into at this time. NASA probably needs to, their biggest challenge is adapting to that change and learning to meet the new expectations and new roles that are being put forward to us. Probably the most interesting trend that I'm seeing is this desire by the public to be more proactively engaged in space. One of the things that needs to happen to encourage that and promote it is we need newer technology, more advanced technologies. The development of technologies to promote that more active public engagement is where I see the biggest change coming from for the next decade or two.